There were buckets for cable guys, and there were buckets for fire guys, and there were buckets for all different reasons. I mean, this is made just for what we use it for.
The Chariot Bucket design, all the new add-on accessories for installation and service, just brilliantly thought out. I mean, extremely simple, common sense stuff that a guy using that truck every day shakes his head and goes, now this is a good idea. I mean, this makes my life easier. This makes it safer. This makes it more reliable. This allows me to do so many more things by myself where I don't need another set of hands.
I could do a whole raceway by myself, like 10, 15 foot raceway. I wouldn't need another set of hands or anything because of the platform that comes out. It just makes my life so much easier.
Even with that big sign we had on, that had been 140 pounds, and even then you can still move it around with one arm.
You can get in position, it doesn't matter what angle you're at, and you're able to swing the sign, even with a channel letter I had on the stand. I was able to swing that into the wall and then mount my letter.
You got so much maneuverability in there that you don't have with a basket that doesn't have the radius turn. And it's a round basket, not a square, so you're not getting jammed in the corner.
Earlier when we didn't really have access to square up with where we had to be, you know, that's why the swivel's so nice, because you can park off center from where you need to be, and then you can use the swivels to still get the sign straight.
The versatility of the Chariot Bucket with all the accessories, it just makes the installation so much faster. We have literally used all of the accessories.
Okay, and they all work fine?
They all work great.
The pattern arms, they worked really good because it frees up your hands.
I like the fact that I can get my pattern started by setting it up, getting it level, getting it where I need it to be, and then getting it started, getting it taped, and then I'll take one side off, able to start leveling it off a little bit better, tape it off more, and then just tape the whole pattern off, and I can get rid of the arms out of the way.
The hanging bar is probably my favorite attachment to use on it. That one works really well for hanging Lexan faces and the bigger faces that, for me, I can just kind of guide myself in, and makes it nice and easy, sliding faces in and out, and that would definitely probably be the one I use the most.
That basket, that little basket. Oh man, that bag, I love that bag. Because you can put everything in it. It could be trash. I just throw it down in the bag, reach out whatever I need.
We were 35 feet in the air, putting a bunch of stub mounted letters on the wall, and he'd hold 4 of them in his hand or whatever and come back down. I said, wait a minute, we've got that big bag in the truck that we never use. Let's try this thing. And man, we use that bag now so much because it takes away all the up and downs.
We had to put the jib on, attach this sign from the top jib, and then we had to raise it, and then we had to put it through 3 panes of glass. Once we figured out that this was gonna work, I mean, it couldn't have gone any smoother.
It was a sign that was kind of just awkward to get on the wall where it needed to go, and didn't really want to pull my crane out. We just had the jib set up to where it lifted it up for us, and he was able to just push it right to the wall, screw it in, unhook the jib, and move right along.
I use the banner holder. That works really well for trying to keep banners nice and level.
I've been in the sign industry for almost 25 years, and you know, basically everything that I could want in a truck as far as accessories and making life easier, installing banners and you know, patterns and all that. You guys have looked at it and done it.
It goes back to flexibility, right? So those tools creates flexibility in the fact with your labor force, and the fact that those tools help one person accomplish his job, frees up labor for your other jobs, right?
One of our biggest problems in this industry is finding people that can do installation. So the crews are already skeleton. So anytime I can send one man out by himself to install something, it's a game changer for me, because I got another guy go install something else.
Around smaller towns and stuff, there's no reason you can't work by yourself, and the van ladder would make that possible. I do tend to send 2 people generally, just especially you get more done, and it just makes sense to have a second person. So
what's the second person doing typically?
Getting everything ready on the ground and helping pass stuff up, and then that second person can be in the back wiring it up while they're finishing up out front.
The guys here, they say one thing about it, man, you give us the best tools that's offered in the field. And the way I look at it is if that tool can save us time, it saves me money.
It just gives the customer a higher level of confidence that their investment is safe, right?
Yeah.
And that's how I feel. I feel secure when I go out to the job site. Confident.
Yeah.
Confident.
Van Ladder, simplifying sign work.